When I'm in the family editing environment, which I am here because I was creating a mass family, I'll see an option that says load into project. And if I click on that, if I've only got one project open, it'll automatically bring the mass family into that project. If I had multiple projects open, it would give me a list, and I would put a checkbox opposite the families that I want to bring it in. Because of the way you created it, you can see that the cursor is attached to the bottom left corner, and you've got some options up here that do you want to place it on a face or on a work plane. So in a project environment, the levels represent the floors of the building, unlike in the family environment where any levels really just represent any horizontal planes that you want to draft geometry on. If I just drop that into my project here and then hit the escape key, you should see that under the project browser, if you looked under mass family, you'll see that there is actually the mass classroom with the instance, and anytime I want to get it, I can just drag it from there and place it into my project, or I could right click on it and say create similar. It's all the same thing. These are individual instances of my classroom. So I'm going to place 6 of them in total, and then I'm going to go out and get some other families and bring them into the project. So if I go to open the family and I look in my folder for the mass library, you'll see that I'd be able to do something like, say, select the assembly hall, open that up and load it into the project. You see now I've got 2 things available, so I put a checkbox opposite the one that was active, and I can bring that in. The other thing I could do is, if I wanted to speed the process up, I could say import, load family, look at my folder, mass libraries, and I'm just going to, let me delete that one because that's just a backup, but let me make a selection of multiple mass families. I hit the shift, I clicked on the top one, and then I hit the shift key when I clicked on the bottom one, and what I can do is just bring them, if you watch the browser on the left here, what it's actually doing is bringing all of those into my project. So I've got all of these mass families, and they're ready for me now to just grab them here, drag them from the browser and place them into the project itself.